Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we zoom in on the coolest closed-source projects that are making waves online. Every week, we handpick the freshest tools and apps just for you, the ones that are buzzing on Product Hunt and have the potential to supercharge your digital life. And remember, if you stumble upon any gems yourself, drop us a comment. We love seeing what's on your radar. Now let's jump into this week's lineup and uncover the tech magic behind each project. From AI buddies who can chat to software that turns designs into code, get ready for a tech feast. Project number 1, DID. Have you ever dreamed of having a digital double? Someone who could represent you, talk like you, and even think like you? Enter the world of DID agents. These aren't your average chatbots. DID agents are like your digital twins, equipped to handle conversations and add a personal touch to your digital interactions. Picture this. You own a shop online. Instead of a plain text chat, your customers are greeted by a friendly digital person who can answer their questions, guide them on a virtual tour, or help them check out. That's your DID agent. They can look like anyone, even you, and they can talk in any voice, even yours. Now let's get a bit technical, but keep it simple. These agents are powered by something called LLMs, which is short for large language models. These are the brains behind the scenes that understand and generate human-like text. DID agents take this a step further with voice cloning and video generation tech to make the interaction not just smart, but also feel real and human. Customizing your agent is a breeze. You pick an appearance, decide on a voice, set up how they'll interact, and give them information so they can answer questions accurately. It's like training a new employee, but in minutes, not days. With DID agents, it's not just about asking and answering. It's about conversations that feel genuine. They've got RAG tech, short for Retrieval Augmented Generation, to make sure they're not just repeating pre-programmed lines, but actually providing updated and accurate info. Whether it's a customer service rep, a tutor for an online course, or a virtual host for your website, DID agents are ready to step up. They work around the clock, never get tired, and they're always in a good mood. Plus, with over 90% accuracy and responses in under 2 seconds, they're not just fast, they're reliable. So if you're looking to bring a human touch to digital interactions without the hassle of video calls or typing out long emails, DID agents might be just what you need. They're reshaping the way we think about online communication, one engaging, face-to-face conversation at a time. Project number 2, PixelFree Studio. Step into the future of design with PixelFree Studio, where your creativity meets the cutting edge of technology. Say goodbye to the monotony of coding and hello to a world where your designs leap off the page into beautifully crafted code in just a click. PixelFree Studio is not just any design tool. It's your one-stop solution to turn designs, whether crafted in PixelFree Studio itself or imported from Figma, into clean, readable, and maintainable code. And the best part? No clunky libraries or restrictive frameworks. You're the master of your domain, with the freedom to host your creations wherever your heart desires. Imagine the hours you'll reclaim by transforming the design process. What once took months, now takes mere minutes. It's like having a team of developers at your fingertips, except it's just you, PixelFree, and your limitless potential. Collaboration is a breeze with PixelFree Studio. Work alongside teammates in real time, regardless of where you are in the world. No more waiting for updates, sharing heavy files, or juggling between multiple tools. Everything you need for seamless, synchronous teamwork is right here in PixelFree Studio. Now, let's talk about bringing those brilliant ideas to life. PixelFree Studio is not just a playground for your imagination. It's a launch pad. You can create whatever you envision from scratch with robust features, and then click export. Like magic, your project is primed for connection to your backend, saving you the headaches of traditional development. Welcome to the new age of software development, where PixelFree Studio empowers designers and programmers to turn visions into creations. You no longer need multiple software teams toiling away to produce a unified end-user experience. PixelFree Studio does the heavy lifting, translating your masterpiece across languages and platforms flawlessly. So if you're ready to cut down on errors, bugs, and inconsistent experiences, it's time to let PixelFree Studio be your guide. Whether you're decking out your website for the holidays or crafting a one-of-a-kind sale page, the power is now in your hands. With PixelFree Studio, the only limit is your imagination. Prepare to be amazed by what you can achieve with PixelFree Studio, where your designs come to life with the click of a button. Welcome to the studio of the future. Project number 3, Welcome to Layers, the home built by designers for the design community. It's the space where sharing your work, connecting with fellow creatives, and building a stunning portfolio becomes as intuitive as the designs you create. Layers emerged from a simple need, a community platform where designers aren't just another user, but a part of a thriving ecosystem. It's where you're not only seen but heard, where your work isn't just displayed but celebrated. The heart of Layers is connection. It's a place where over 20,000 members come together, not just to showcase their designs, but to forge relationships that go beyond the screen. With features like attachments, analytics, teams, and messaging, Layers isn't just about what you create, it's about the conversations that happen because of it. Imagine launching a design that sparks a discussion, joining a team that reshapes the way you think, or starting a chat that leads to your next big project. That's what Layers is all about. It's a community where the focus is on stunning visuals, but also on the stories behind them, the ideas that fuel them, and the people who craft them. In the world of Layers, feedback is immediate, collaboration is a given, and opportunities are endless. It's where you can take the seed of an idea and watch it grow through the collective wisdom and creativity of a global community. So if you're ready to dive into a design journey that's just about pixels and palettes, but people and passion, Layers is where you belong. It's where your work comes alive, your voice finds an echo, and your talents reach new horizons. It's not just a platform, it's a movement that's powered by design, driven by connection, and dedicated to you. This is Layers, your design community. Project number 4, Anytalk. Step into the world of seamless communication with Anytalk, the app that's changing the game in real-time language translation. Picture this. You're in a video call, and across the screen is someone whose ideas you're eager to understand, but there's a language barrier. With Anytalk, that barrier vanishes. Anytalk offers you the power to break down walls between languages in real time. With support for English, Russian, Spanish, and German, you can translate video and audio streams like YouTube videos or Twitch streams with a mere 5-second delay. Imagine the possibilities. No more waiting for subtitles on live streams, no more struggling with language settings on international calls, just smooth, uninterrupted conversation. For content creators, Anytalk opens up a new world of audience engagement. Stream your content and let viewers from across the globe tune in, understanding every word as if you were speaking their language. And here's where it gets even more exciting. With Anytalk, you don't just translate, you communicate. When the full app is released, you'll be able to speak without knowing the language, using real-time voice translation. This means you could have a conversation in German, and with Anytalk's help, you're understood in Spanish. The team is relentlessly working to reduce that delay even further and to support more languages, ensuring that wherever you are, whoever you want to speak to, Anytalk is your go-to communication companion. In a world that's more connected than ever, Anytalk is the key to unlocking truly global conversations. Whether you're a traveler, a business person, or just someone with friends around the world, Anytalk ensures that language is no longer a barrier. It's just another bridge to cross into each other's worlds. So get ready to expand your horizons and speak the universal language of connection with Anytalk. Project number 5. Imagine a world where your conversations with artificial intelligence are not just text on a screen, but feel as real and engaging as chatting with a friend. That's where Athina AI steps in. Athina AI is not just a tool. It's a game changer in the realm of large language models, LLMs. It's the watchful eye that ensures your AI interactions are accurate, reliable, and hallucination-free. With Athina AI, developers now have a co-pilot in their journey through the AI universe. This platform doesn't just watch over your LLMs, it helps you steer them in the right direction, ensuring they provide value without veering off course. Think of Athina as the lighthouse guiding ships safely to shore in the vast ocean of AI conversations. Here's the thing about LLMs. They're powerful, but they can sometimes create more fiction than fact. Athina AI comes equipped with over 40 evaluation metrics to help you detect these so-called hallucinations. From measuring the faithfulness of the AI's responses to ensuring conversation coherence, Athina has got you covered. And the best part? It's like having an AI detective on your team. Athina monitors your models in real time, giving you insights into their performance, spotting anomalies, and helping you intervene before small glitches turn into major issues. But Athina AI isn't just for the tech-savvy developers. It's built with a spirit of collaboration, offering features like a built-in prompt playground. This means you can tinker with prompts, test new ideas, and fine-tune your model's responses on the fly. It's like having an AI sandbox where the only limit is your imagination. Whether you're deploying a customer service chatbot, a virtual tutor, or an enterprise-grade AI assistant, Athina AI is your trusted partner. It ensures your AI not only sounds smart, but also stays on point and provides reliable, useful interactions every time. In essence, Athina AI is transforming the way we interact with LLMs. It's not just about putting an AI on your website or in your app, it's about making sure that AI represents the best of your vision. Athina AI is the compass that keeps your AI oriented, accurate, and truly helpful. Project number 6, Realm App. In today's digital world where every second counts, wouldn't it be amazing to have a tool that transforms your browser's idle homepage into a powerhouse of productivity? Enter Realm App, a game changer in how we utilize our digital space. This innovative browser extension isn't just about replacing your homepage, it's about revolutionizing your online workflow. Realm App is like a Swiss Army knife for your browser. Imagine opening a new tab and being greeted by a dashboard that's tailored just for you. With Realm App, you can organize your most visited sites, keep track of important bookmarks, and even dive into your favorite news feeds, all from one place. It's like having a personal assistant, ready to help you navigate your digital world with ease. But what truly sets Realm App apart is its commitment to enhancing productivity. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple projects or a student researching for an upcoming paper, Realm App's customizable workspaces are a game changer. You can create separate dashboards for different aspects of your life: work, personal, hobbies, and more. Each workspace is a clean slate, ready to be filled with widgets and tools that suit your needs. The beauty of Realm App lies in its simplicity and power. Adding bookmarks is a breeze. Just a right click away. Collaboration has never been easier. With real-time updates and the ability to work on the same project with teammates, even seeing changes as they happen. And let's not forget about the Blockchain Explorer, a nod to the future, providing seamless access to the blockchain world right from your browser. Imagine the possibilities with Realm App. Planning a holiday sale on your e-commerce site? Create a dedicated workspace to manage everything from marketing to inventory. Working on a group project? Set up a shared workspace where everyone can contribute and stay on the same page. Realm App is not just about enhancing your productivity, it's about redefining it. As we look to the future, Realm App promises even more features like calendar integration, crypto portfolio trackers, and Web3 news. It's clear that Realm App is more than just a browser extension. It's a new way of experiencing the internet. It's about taking control of your digital environment and turning it into a space that works for you. In essence, Realm App is your portal to a more organized, efficient, and personalized online experience. Say goodbye to the chaos of countless tabs and bookmarks scattered across your browser. With Realm App, your digital world is just a click away. Project number 7, Thinkbuddy AI. In a digital era where efficiency is king, Thinkbuddy AI emerges as a revolutionary tool designed to elevate your macOS experience to unprecedented heights. Imagine having a personal AI assistant that not only understands your voice, but also reads your screenshots, executes commands through text selection, and offers custom prompt creation, all seamlessly integrated into your macOS. This is not just an enhancement, it's a complete transformation of how you interact with your computer. Thinkbuddy AI is designed with macOS users in mind, offering a native ChatGPT experience that is both intuitive and powerful. With Thinkbuddy, you can effortlessly convert speech to text for quick AI inquiries or type your questions directly into the system. This level of flexibility ensures that whether you're drafting an email, coding, or just browsing, Thinkbuddy is ready to assist in a manner that feels natural and integrated into your workflow. One of the most groundbreaking features of Thinkbuddy AI is its Screenshot AI capability. This tool analyzes screenshots using multimodal LLMs like GPT-4v, allowing you to extract and interact with information from images in ways you never thought possible. Additionally, the Quick Chat feature provides conversational AI assistance akin to Apple's Siri or Spotlight, but with the depth and context understanding of GPT-4 or Claude 3. For those who often find themselves performing repetitive text-based tasks, Thinkbuddy AI's text actions are a game changer. With voice or shortcut-triggered prompts, you can transform, analyze, or generate text with unprecedented ease. The inline writer and text helper further augment your writing, offering grammar, style, and enhancement suggestions directly within your text editor. But Thinkbuddy AI doesn't stop there. With a simple keyboard shortcut, you can activate the AI to help you instantly, streamlining your interactions and making it easier to maintain your focus and productivity. The app supports various AI models, including GPT-4, GPT 3.5, Claude 3, and others, giving you the flexibility to choose the best model for your specific needs. The real beauty of Thinkbuddy AI lies in its ability to democratize advanced AI functionalities for the everyday macOS user. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to optimize your coding process or a creative professional seeking to streamline your design workflow, Thinkbuddy AI adapts to your needs, offering a suite of tools that are as versatile as they are innovative. In conclusion, Thinkbuddy AI is not just a software. It's a new way of engaging with your macOS, where voice commands, real-time AI assistance, and seamless integration come together to provide a user experience that is both efficient and exhilarating. With Thinkbuddy AI, your Mac becomes more than just a computer. It becomes a partner in your digital journey, capable of transforming how you work, create, and communicate. And there you have it, a quick dive into the latest and greatest in digital innovation. These tools aren't just changing the game, they're redefining it. Stay tuned, keep exploring, and remember, in the world of tech, today's magic is tomorrow's reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and exploring the endless possibilities of technology.